See? Mine's clearly bigger than yours.
That's strange. It wasn't that big yesterday.
Well, fornicating human females were mentioned while we were out cold.
This happens to you a lot, doesn't it?
No, that's not the point. It's still bigger than yours.
For now. But what if there were some homosexual locusts with their big, buggy dicks?
Would you look at that? I've never seen it shrink away that fast.
I made it unhappy.
That new guy didn't even bring back our chainsaws.
Yeah, well, those locusts did tell him that the war was over. How is he supposed to know there wasn't a party going on? And plus, who can resist fornicating human females?
Well, I'm sure you could go for a couple of scaly dinosaur dicks.
You goddamn Asian guy. It actually went in now.
Come on, guys. We're stuck here without food. Without new water. Don't even have a toilet. Wait, we have a toilet?
No. I record the sounds that make me feel comfortable.
Doll here, here's a large antique doll. Next item here, what do you want to go? A couple $1,000. $2,000, you get a you get a
Come on, guys. Let's hear some plans to get out of here.
Well, maybe we could hand over Lorenzo's supple virgin ass and beg for our release.
Or maybe we could show them pictures of the Asian guy's dick and then run away while they're laughing.
You know what, Lorenzo? I'm sick and tired of you constantly making fun of Sour Spice's dick when you barely have anything to brag about yourself.
What's this thing? Hey, Kelly, what's this thing?
I don't know. We know just as much as you do.
Kelly, why are you always so pissed off at me? Kelly, did you see where that grenade landed? Hey, Kelly! I just got back from my archery class. Now I can shoot an apple off your head like my hero, Johnny Appleseed.
That wasn't Johnny Appleseed.
Heads up.
Lorenzo, I need your help over here. There are locusts everywhere.
Can't see my eyes. I've gone blind. Don't worry, Kelly. I'll try to kill the locust. I think I got him.
What was that? Who are you?
I'm O'Neill. I was sent here to save you guys from your locust captors.